In this video, we'll be unboxing the Hoover Swivel Pet Vacuum Cleaner. It does seem to have several features. Let's open it up and see if it lives up to what was advertised. At first, I couldn't figure out how to get the vacuum out. I realized you had to remove the other two cardboard inserts and everything inside them first. Now we could finally remove the vacuum. Included are some papers, some attachments, a handle, and the unit itself. Let's begin unwrapping the vacuum. We can now snap in the handle. Adding all the accessories, the vacuum is complete. Now you're off to vacuuming. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a like, and for more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.